I'm going to try to race and beat everyone else in this thing.
Let's go ahead and start SOLIDWORKS 95 here with an older icon than even the red square.
All right, we're going to do new part.
I'm glad I didn't have to take CSWE in 1995.
I'm going to attempt to use the isometric shortcut from present-day SOLIDWORKS, but that doesn't seem to exist.
I can't use my middle mouse button.
It might be 10 minutes before I make the first feature.
Click and hold. See, I clicked and let go. And that's what people do a lot of things wrong with.
Click not work? Maybe it's click and drag only. Maybe there's only a single way to make a line.
Thank you very much, and we're done.
Here we go.
That was painful. Oh my gosh.
That's it. I'm happy with that.
I think I did pretty good considering it's 95.
I think in 1995, this would have been wild.
Makes me appreciate each version and all the updates that come out.
It's fun to see where you came from. So, it's like me, it's like meeting, long lost elder relatives.
I think if I existed in 1995 and was an engineer, I'd be having a field day.
Oh, at the end of the day, you still get the same thing. The end result is still a 3D model.
The navigation, I think, is the hardest. Just not having a middle mouse button. Even if you work on a laptop that you don't have your middle mouse button, it's totally disorienting.
While there are a lot of differences in the way you select things and the way you manipulate things, the base concepts are still the same.
Although it's changed drastically, it hasn't changed much.
Once you knew where everything was, you can kind of see I got faster as I went through it.
But the fact that I could basically figure out what I was looking for, it really hasn't changed that much.
All those extra clicks that we have to take to do what I just did, but back then it would blow people away.
Feels like home.
I'm going to start on the top plane. Let's make this shape. So I'm going to start with some circles because now I know that we have a wonderful sketch trim.
1995 was multiple contours in one sketch. So now I'm going to attempt to do this all in one sketch and then go from there.
We use a thin feature, which is what I was looking for in the other software that I couldn't find. Make sure we're going the right direction, which we are.
And then I can expand the tree, pick the sketch again, because I can use shared sketches, which you couldn't do way back in the day.
And hold through the whole thing. Through all. And done.
Is that it? Did I get it? I got it. Time.
I'll take it. 3 minutes and 14. I'll take that. That's pi.
Done.
This was more fun than I expected, to be honest. It was really cool to do it immediately back to back.
If you drop someone who's known SOLIDWORKS before, when they're using the old version and the new version, they could definitely do it.
The community of SOLIDWORKS users that has just spread and grown throughout the years love the tool because of what it is and what it can do and all of the things that they've added to get it from 1995 to this.
It being around for 30 years means it's probably had that impact and that effect on a lot of people. And that makes me really happy.
There'll be advances like crazy for the next 5, 10, 30 years. So I'm really excited about the future, and I'm not going anywhere.